today we have Mr. Soumyodeep Ghosh, Proposal Manager, Danieli Centro Metallics. Okay, so here we start, sir. So my first question is, why is DRI considered the key for green steel production?
Well, first and foremost is we have basically two main producers of iron making.
Sure.
Why it is called green steel is because of the fact that the major CO2 emitters are from iron making side, not from steel making side.
Okay.
And we have blast furnace and we have DRI. These are the two iron making facilities. The iron making facilities are then divided into three portions. So DRI is made through rotaries, like in India, which is basically coal based, and then you have the vertical shaft.
Oh.
And number three is blast furnace. India has all of three.
Right.
Now the fact that if you go with a vertical gas, it has the lowest CO2 emitter versus with rotary kiln.
Oh.
In principle, blast furnace and BOF, if you look together as a steel making facility, it gives out around 2.2 to 2.4 tons of CO2 per ton of liquid steel.
Oh.
Versus you have the rotary kiln with the induction furnace that is giving you more than 2.5 tons of CO2 per ton of liquid steel. When you combine gas-based DRI with for induction furnace, gas-based DRI itself is the lowest emitter, which is around 500 kg, so 0.5. Now look at that, you're at 2.4, 2.5, and then you're 0.5. So automatically you reduce your final CO2 through DRI. And this is the very reason, the core reason why DRI is considered to be more greener with respect to other steel. Number two is the DRI process, vertical shaft, can be easily coupled with hydrogen. Hydrogen is green, hydrogen is blue, hydrogen is gray. But hydrogen is hydrogen at the end of it. When you're putting in hydrogen, the net outcome is H2 or not CO2. So by default, it becomes much more greener. And this is the reason why it's considered to be much more green.
Oh. Okay, yes. So we move to the next question, sir. Like, what are the main DRI manufacturing technology used in the steel industry today?
The DRI manufacturing technology is basically on the vertical shaft. There are two. That's it. One is Energiron, which is a technology that is jointly developed by Danieli together with Tenova. And the second one is Matrix technology that is mostly US based. But in the recent days, Energiron has the major shareholder of, let's say, clients selecting as a technology. The reason is very simple. It is much more flexible in use. You buy a car that can run on oil, that can run on petrol, diesel, gas, everything, electrical. Energiron is like that. It's flexible to any kind of energy input that you get. And this is the reason why today Energiron is one of the most preferred selecting technology in the DRI side. In principle, to answer your question, there are two technologies that is available on the gas-based DRI.
Okay. So my third question is, how does coal gasification reduce dependency on natural gas in steel manufacturing?
Consider a situation like India. You don't have natural gas, correct? The only abundant availability is coal. Now, if you directly burn coal, you emit CO2 into the atmosphere.
Yes.
Correct? Which is the next process. If I can gasify this gas and then the CO2 is captured, the net product of this gasifier is hydrogen, carbon monoxide, and methane, which is basically the same product that you get it in a natural gas. So when you get natural gas and you reform it, you get carbon monoxide, hydrogen, methane, and some extra heavy hydrocarbon. When it comes to coal gasification, by default, you get into hydrogen carbon monoxide. So now, when you have this, make this as an advantage and not to downplay it. And this is the reason why Syngas or coal gasification technology is considered to be a replacement. Not only in terms of steel manufacturing, but also in the fact that coal gasification can be used for other industries as well, chemicals, fertilizers. So this is, and then as a country in India where we are dependent on gases imported, it basically gives you independency. You're not dependent. Tomorrow, the consumer do not have to pay more money because the salaries are not going up. This is going up. So at the end of the day, people need to survive. And this is the reason why it's considered to be like alternative to natural gas.
Okay. Okay. So my last question is, sir, what impact does syngas quality have on steel products production efficiencies?
Nothing. Nothing. In principle, nothing.
Hmm.
If you make a gasifier, you get the syngas, you just clean it a little because you have a lot of acid content inside the gas. You just clean it. You have no impact. You have zero impact except the fact that some of the technologies like blast furnaces might not work with syngas.
Yeah.
Might not work.
Hmm.
But there are technologies to replace that. And at the end of the day, you make a lesser CO2 emission. I always go to all seminars and give the same thing. Remember everything. We do not inherit Mother Earth from our ancestors. We borrow it from our children.
True.
So we should keep this place safer for our next generation.
Oh.
Because there is no second mother planet Earth. There is one.
Yeah. So okay, sir. Sir, my last question is
Yes.
that you are talking about coal gasification. So like how Danieli works in that phase, sir?
Well, Danieli does not work in coal gasification directly, but Danieli utilizes the gas that is utilized that is coming out from the coal gasification to be used as a kind of agent to produce steel.
So,
So the flexibility of Danieli to utilize the gas coming out of the coal. Today, Danieli does not have any gasification. Who knows? Maybe in the future we might have it.
yeah, sure, sir. Okay, thank you so
Thank
much,
you so
sir.
much.